Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about chemical formula of a substance. A chemical substance, a chemical compound, or a molecule of a substance. Chemical formula may be defined as the symbolic representation of a chemical in terms of symbols of constituent elements with numeral subscripts is called chemical formula of the chemical substance. It means when a chemical substance is written in terms of symbols of constituent elements with numeral subscript with numbers, then it is called chemical formula. Here symbols of constituent elements represents the elements and the numerals written with symbols give the number of that constituent elements. Before giving example, I am telling you about molecular formula. Molecules, the smallest particle of a substance, is called molecular formula. Is called molecules. The smallest particle of the substance made up of atoms of constituent elements is called molecule of the substance. In one molecule, constituent elements of the substance are written with number of atoms combined present in that molecule. So we can say here the symbolic representation of a chemical substance, a molecule of a chemical substance in terms of symbols of elements, constituent elements and numeral subscript is called molecular formula of the substance. We can see here that the chemical formula and molecular formula remain same for a chemical. For example, here, molecule of water here, H2O. In water, hydrogen and oxygen are constituent elements. So, in one molecule of water, the constituent elements are written in the form of their symbols with numeral subscript. Here, 2 tells us that in one molecule of water, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen is present. It means when 1 atom of oxygen combines with 2 atoms of hydrogen, then we get one molecule of water. Like that, sulfuric acid, one molecule of sulfuric acid is written as H2SO4 and it is the chemical representation of sulfuric acid also. I mean to say here that the chemical formula of H2SO4 sulfuric acid is H2SO4 and H2SO4 represents one molecule of sulfuric acid. So, chemical formula also represents the molecular formula of a substance. Here one thing, the numeral written with the symbol tells us about the number of atoms of that element. Here 2 means 2 atoms of hydrogen, S means 1 atom of sulfur, and O4 means 4 atoms of oxygen. It means when 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atoms combine, then they form H2SO4, molecule of sulfuric acid. The numeral written at the left of the molecular formula here too. This numeral tells us the number of molecules. 2H2SO4 means 2 molecules of sulfuric acid. 3H2O means 3 molecules of water. Is it clear? Now, molecular mass. This is may be defined as the sum of masses of atoms of constituent elements gives the molecular mass of the chemical. It means when we add the masses of all the atoms of constituent elements, we find the molecular mass of the substance. For example, molecular mass of calcium carbonate. Here, in one molecule of calcium carbonate, one calcium atom, one carbon atom, and 3 oxygen atoms are present. So, molecular mass of calcium carbonate CaCO3 will be obtained by adding the masses of atom of calcium, carbon, and oxygen. Here, atomic mass of calcium is 40 unit, carbon 12 unit plus oxygen. Here 3 atoms of oxygen are present, so 3 into 16 unit. On adding 52 unit plus 48 unit, it means 100 units. The molecular mass of calcium carbonate is 100 units. In this way, by adding the atomic masses of the constituent atoms, we can calculate the molecular mass of a chemical substance, one molecule of a substance. Now, atomic mass. Atomic mass may be defined as the relative mass of an atom with as compared with 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom. So we can define the atomic mass that when atomic mass of an element is the relative mass. Relative mass means with respect to a standard unit. The 1/12 of carbon 12 isotope, the 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 isotope is taken as unit, and the masses of other elements, atoms of other elements are represented with respect to this mass. So, in molecular mass, we add all the constituent atoms, masses of constituent atoms to calculate the molecular mass of a chemical substance. Thank you. In next video, I will explain other related terms.